What's going on, guys? This is DragsterTV here, back at it again. And today I got yet another unboxing to go ahead and share with you guys today. And yet again, this package is from GoPowersports.com. Now, I ordered two items for my go-kart, which is a 1977 Honda Odyssey FL250 off of GoPowersports.com, and the first item was a clutch for my 212 Predator that is getting put on the FL250, and I already did an unboxing video on that. And then one of my last packages is actually off of GoPowersports.com, the second thing that I ordered, which is actually the manual brake caliper. So we're just going to go ahead and hop straight into it and check it out, show you guys what to expect when you order it yourself. And as always, I will leave this item linked near the top of the description down below. Here we go. So just opening it up, you're gonna get your, what they always send. Let me look real quick. It's pretty much what you get an email of. It's your order confirmation, all that good stuff, tracking numbers and stuff. And then you get a sticker, and if I'm not wrong, they switch up the stickers every single time, and you might only get one, or maybe two, or maybe three. My clutch actually gave me 3 different stickers, and one of these was included. So we're just gonna go ahead and grab out the knife again. There we go. By the way, guys, this weighs about 2 pounds, I'd say. Alright, so I do not think I will do a full assembly quite yet. So I'm waiting to do part 9 for all the progress in a row with what's going on with the Odyssey until I get all my parts here. So I decided to do some unboxing for the parts just to show you guys that they've gotten here up until the full assembly when I put it all on the cart. So let's go ahead and explain a bit about this. So it's going to come loose as soon as you get it. I thought it said Go Power Sports on it because I've seen videos on it. But anyways, so this right here is the adjustment screw, just letting you guys know that. So let's see, I don't really quite know how it works just yet, but we're gonna figure it out, and then I'll make a full video explaining how this works. But all I know right now is this is the adjustment screw. Now this is what you could do is take like a very tiny little piece of metal that you can pick up from a hardware store or something, little piece, just full little thing of metal, right? It doesn't have to be long, and where your cable goes is into that tube, and then that way it'll pull. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and you can replace these brake pads. Essentially all this is just a manual brake caliper. You do not need a master cylinder. It's not hydraulic or anything like that. So it's just as simple as it gets. You mount it up with your cable, and then you push it, and then it will work. So another thing, since you can use this on all different carts, you can swap out very easily off of GoPowersports.com or just off of really any website, just the certain correct size brake pads. So if it's stopping a bigger machine, I'm sure these ones will work, but you can swap them out to some heavier duty ones if you guys are doing it on a bigger machine than a 1977 Honda Odyssey FL250. But these should work for right now. Pretty nice. So this is just it itself right here, and you can adjust the throw so that if you barely, like with mine, because all my controls are on the steering wheel. So this is gas, this is brake. So you can adjust if you like barely tap it. If you barely tap this, which is the brake, then it will just squeeze it a bunch, like get really tight, or you can adjust it to where like it doesn't start until like you're halfway. So you can adjust it a lot, and we're gonna figure out how you actually adjust it. But yeah, so this is pretty much the item that you will get. It can mount up lots of different ways. It can mount up like this. It can mount up like this from the bottom. It can mount up from the side. All different ways. And let me know down below in the comments for those of you that do order this, if you guys did get the same exact sticker. I highly do recommend it. And that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you have an amazing rest of you guys night or night. And with that, I'll catch you guys very, very soon in the next one. Thanks for watching.